Are you tired of trying to figure out your pricing and packaging in a way that is going to work for your members or your sponsors while reducing administrative complexity and operationalizing everything in a way that makes sense? And trying to tackle your profitability and being financially sustainable. If so, I'm Dr. Michael Carr-Tatonetti. I am going to be joining you at Associations Unleashed in May, and I invite you to join me at the conference. I'm going to be leading a session on strategic pricing and packaging that works. And I'm going to walk you through a pricing methodology that's called Good, Better, Best, where it enables you to figure out trade-offs and what should be in different packages or bundle opportunities and how you price those and present those to members, to sponsors, to learners, whoever the audience is for that association product. So if you are questioning how in the world do we set prices? How do we present and show this? Make sure to join me. I am excited to walk you through this methodology that Starbucks and pretty much every for-profit company uses and apply it specifically to our association space. I will see you at Associations Unleashed this May.